A blow for the plans of Rhode Island's two largest hospital groups.
Yeah, and a stunning move today. Attorney General Peter Neronha rejecting the proposed merger we've been telling you about of Lifespan and Care New England.
The AG cited several key factors that drove his decision. One, the group would control 80% of inpatient care in the state. To compare, the biggest groups in Massachusetts and Connecticut control less than a third of inpatient care in their states.
He also cited the financial weakness of the merger, a lack of specifics from the groups on how they would achieve benefits from the merger, and an inability to ease concerns through regulations as reasons.
So in other words, don't give us a set of objectives. Don't speak in generalities. Don't give us things that all sound good. Tell us exactly what you're going to do, where you're going to do it, who you're going to affect, and then let us know how you're going to pay for it. And as you'll see later, getting answers to those questions proved to be elusive.
We are joined live at 4 by Target 12 investigator Tim White. Tim, you were live in our new newscast today with this breaking news. At that time, you said Lifespan and Care New England can ask a Superior Court judge to review this decision.
Yeah, right. The hospitals can essentially appeal the decision to the courts. But Brian, I have to tell you, I think that is unlikely. First, as you heard from Ted at the top of the hour, the CEO of Care New England strongly suggested in his statement that this was the end of the merger proposal. Plus, the Federal Trade Commission, one of the three agencies weighing in on the pitch, said it would file suit to block the merger. So I suppose the hospitals will, whether they like it or not, eventually have their day in court.
Okay, so Tim, I guess the big question that remains, what does happen next?
Yeah, that is the big question. I don't think any of the major players here really know. And it's worth reminding people that Lifespan and Care New England have been a soap opera-like on-again, off-again relationship over the years. They've talked about merging for decades, including back into the 1990s. This most recent try came after Partners Healthcare in Boston, now called Mass General Brigham, tried to cozy up with Care New England. But something will have to happen, Kim, because there's a lot of concern about the financial outlook for the hospitals, particularly at Care New England.
And Tim, as we've been telling everyone, AG Neronha holding a big news conference today to outline this decision, his reasons behind it. We've seen him do this before. Yeah,
Brian, we have for big decisions like this, or when his office announces a finding in a high-profile criminal case. He is not one to just issue a written news release. We have seen Neronha, he likes to walk people through his decision and answer questions, which of course we appreciate. And he has not been shy about using his office's muscle, particularly in the healthcare realm. In June, he held a similar event raising concerns about the sale of Fatima and Roger Williams Hospital.
Certainly will be something that we will be watching over the coming weeks and months. Target 12 investigator Tim White, thank you.
Brian and Kim, thank you.